So, hi guys!
Hi guys!
So, it's been a year, my baby, since your last interview. So, can you tell them your name?
Gab.
Gabin what? Very good. So, how old are you now?
4.
So, what is your favorite color?
Gusto na pat yung where is colors?
What? What color do you like? What's your favorite color?
Rainbow, gold, and stay pa yung red, and silver.
Ano yun? Silver. Okay, sorry. What is your favorite food?
Yung reindeer.
Food, anak.
No, yung candy. Yung sa Christmas tree.
Ah, okay. The candies. Okay, how about food? Yung iniit mo, yung with rice. Anong favorite food mo?
Chicken!
Chicken again. Okay. And,
Sayap kasi yung chicken. Yung chicken may amazing things. Amazing!
and what's your favorite fast food? Is it KFC, McDonald's, Jollibee?
Donna!
McDo? Oh, what's your order in McDo? What else? What else?
Gusto na fries.
French fries ba? And what's your favorite song?
Never enough.
Can you sing Never Enough for Mama?
Never enough. Never, never, never enough. Never.
Okay. Do you love Mama?
Yeah.
How much do you love Mama?
Mama, may another song.
Okay, what's your
Let
another
It
song?
Go.
Okay, how about
Let
you
It
sing Let It Go?
Let it go. Let it go. No, because yung super hard. Like this yung patpat na yung.
Ah, ganun na lang. Ah, okay. It's okay. How much do you love Mama?
1 billion.
1 billion%! Are you excited to see your brother?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is the name of your brother?
Gavin.
Gavin. Okay. Oh, say bye-bye na to them.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I want to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. And gawa na on video.
Okay. Bye-bye.